The RMA 235 is a quiet, compact, yet powerful cordless mower. It's perfect for smaller gardens, up to 300 metres squared. That's around about the size of a tennis court. At just 14 kilograms, it's lightweight, so it's really easy to manoeuvre, and it uses the latest powerful 36-volt lithium-ion battery. The same battery can be used with all the other tools in the STIHL lithium-ion compact cordless range. So you can work your way around the garden doing different jobs, but using the same battery. The RMA 235 has some really clever features to make mowing easier. You can adjust the height of the handlebar to one of two settings, and the mower also folds neatly away for easy storage, and the height of the mowing deck is easily adjusted with this handy lever. A really smart feature of the RMA 235 is that the flow optimised blade makes the grass stand up, cuts it efficiently, and then blows the cuttings into the grass catcher box, which holds up to 30 litres of grass. It's easy to spot when the box is getting full because there's a grass level indicator. Emptying it is a breeze too, as the box can be opened just like a clamshell. To help you mow for longer, the Eco mode maximises battery life by regulating the speed of the blades. In longer or dense grass, the blades will spin faster, and in shorter grass, they'll be slower. An average sized lawn should only need one fully charged battery to get the job done. It's simple to keep an eye on how much battery charge you have left with these 4 LEDs. Once the battery has run down, simply pop it into the charger. It will be up to 80% capacity in around an hour and a half and 100% in a further hour. The RMA 235 is an affordable, top quality mower that really makes mowing easy.